My name is Tony Cuban. I'm the owner of Quality Home Remodeling. I've been in business for 10 years, been in the trade for 17. It delivers the power that I come to expect from a DeWalt product. What I love most about this saw is that it's super compact and how versatile it is with the 4-position blade change. And it has that DeWalt's no quit attitude when it comes to getting the tough jobs done.
Mi nombre es Benjamín. Trabajo por 15 años. Es pequeño, me ayuda a meterme en espacios más pequeños.
My name is Fred Reno. I work for Habitat for Humanity of the Chesapeake. I've been with Habitat for almost 13 years. I like the tool because it's lightweight, compact, and very powerful. There are times when we just can't use a reciprocating saw because it's too long. You might have to take something apart to be able to get to it, so you've added work that doesn't need to be done. So this gives you a little bit more flexibility in working in tight space.
I would describe DeWalt as always being reliable, tough, and having the power I need to get the job done.
These are the Bosch PL1632 and PL2632 planers. These high-performance planers provide fast and even stock removal with a smooth finish and are designed for typical planer applications such as trimming doors. The aluminum front and rear shoes are precision machined after assembly to ensure accuracy. These planers not only feature a lock-off button to help prevent accidental startup, but also a lock-on button for extended operation, an industry first. The guide fence mounts to both the front and back of the tool for stability, and a plastic overshoe to prevent marring of your workpiece. The cord swivel makes it extra easy to position the power cord. A built-in spring-loaded stand elevates the tool to protect the blade and the resting spot and allows easy entry into the middle of your workpiece. The PL1632 comes with the dual mount fence, the plastic overshoe, and a shavings bag. The PL2632 also includes a case and the 3-degree overshoe. So here they are, the Bosch PL1632 and PL2632 planers. For more information on these tools, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.
The Gravity Heel Kit is a must-have accessory for your gripper. Its unique patented design is much more than meets the eye. What makes Gravity Heels different? They add a physical heel to your gripper, but conveniently retract mid-board while working with longer stock. There when you need it, out of the way when you don't. The length of the heel can be adjusted by tightening or loosening the knob. Not only does the Gravity Heel help push your workpiece through the cut, it also prevents tear out. They're designed to be cut and serve as a sacrificial backer. This is especially useful when cutting with an aggressive bit on the router table. The profile gets routed into the Gravity Heel, fully supporting the material from the back and preventing it from tearing out at the end of the cut. The Gravity Heel Kit comes with 5 heels and all the necessary hardware. You ready to step up your gripper game? Backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Visit us online at MICROJIG.com to order yours today or find a retailer near you. MICROJIG. Work safer, work smarter. Introducing the Match Fit Dovetail Clamp Pro, an all-in-one package that'll revolutionize the way you work with wood. Join the thousands of woodworkers who are already working smarter with the Match Fit system.
Doing finish work? Then the AccuMASTER digital 7-inch angle finder ruler is a must-have tool you need to carry with you at all times. Save time, save money, eliminate frustration and waste, make the right cuts the first time. With the included belt pouch, the digital angle finder ruler is always at your fingertips. Measure inside and outside angles with ease. Displayed by tenths for angles up to 360 degrees. The precision 7-inch rulers provide plenty of surface to ensure an accurate measurement. And when you need it, the precision ruler is always at your fingertips. The stiff action will retain the measured angle so you can move it and get a closer look. Or press the hold button to freeze the measurement on screen. Another press will clear the display for the next reading. To take an absolute measurement, line up the rulers and zero out the device. Then spread the rulers to match the shape of the angle. For a relative measurement, measure the reference angle, zero the unit, then measure the target angle. The difference is calculated for you. Before you cut, use the digital angle finder ruler to calibrate the angle settings on your tools. This is the perfect tool for woodworking, crown molding, trim work, and so much more.
Lautis Oil Tan Leather Tool Belt is our most popular tool belt. Made from high-quality tan leather and steel, it's reinforced with double polyester stitching all around. Has 11 pockets and 2 hammer holders. The perfect leather tool belt for you. You'll love this tool belt. It's a hassle having to run to go and grab your tools from the toolbox every time you need to use them. No more. This tool belt carries a ton of tools, a square tape measure, 2 hammer loops, and more. This tool belt helps you be more efficient. It's both convenient, functional, comfortable, and durable. For any type of work, construction, carpenters, mechanics, electrician, framers, handyman, or any type of work or project. Has 11 pockets total for every type of tool. 2 large pockets, 2 medium pockets, 2 small pockets. 4 pockets for pencils, screwdrivers, and other small items. Leather box pocket square for tape measure. 2 hammer holders with metal loops. Leather belt with double prong roller buckle. It's multi-purpose.
Serious woodworkers don't play, so if you're serious about your craft, stop playing around and get yourself some zero-play guide bars. They're precision engineered to fit standard 3/4-inch miter slots using multiple opposing wedges that expand to fill the entire slot with a single touch. Building table saw sleds has never been faster.
This is the Bosch PR20 EVS Colt Variable Speed Router. This handy router gives you routing power and precision in the palm of your hand. Its maximum 1 horsepower and 5.6 amp rated motor deliver up to 35,000 revolutions per minute, making it great for remodelers, countertop and laminate fabricators, general carpenters, woodworkers, and others. With a variable speed dial, you can match the speed to your workpiece and routing task at hand. The soft start feature reduces startup torque, and the constant response circuitry monitors and maintains optimum RPM under load for consistent performance. The motor releases from the base using this quick clamp system, which requires no tools. The sliding depth adjustment system and microfine depth adjustment dial make setting the exact depth easier than ever. This is the only ergonomic router in its class. A contoured grip area featuring soft grip and finger support pockets allow for maximum comfort and stability. The large opening in the subbase allows for you to use bits up to 1 9/16 inch in diameter. So this router is great for edge forming bits such as roundover bits. So this is it. the Bosch PR20 EVS Colt Variable Speed Palm Router. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch power tools.